traders will euro US dollar hit parity yesterday. The initial reaction was a bit of a oversold short-term bounce, profit taking. Significant option strikes at that parity level, forming a bit of a price barrier. What's been the driving factor? A parabolic rise in energy prices. There's fears that Nord Stream gas flows won't be turned back online as the maintenance period ends on July 21st. The French finance minister sees this as the most likely option at the moment scenario taking place. ZEW Economic Sentiment Index fell dramatically yesterday, way below expectations. We've pushed through 2020 COVID levels, and we're now looking at sovereign debt crisis 2011 levels. So not good. What could be the next catalyst to take us back to parity? US CPI out later today. If it's punchier above 9%, that could get us to parity. Remember, there's a lot of stop losses below that parity level, and that could trigger a wave of forced selling. Crude shed $7.50 a barrel yesterday. It's had a bit of a bounce off that range support this morning at around $100 a barrel. But yeah, it's got a high beta to growth, fears over Chinese COVID situation. But I do beg the question, are we seeing a clearing out of excessive speculative length? Because, you know, we're in a supply constrained market. It's tight physical market. UK GDP came in 0.5% versus 0% month on month, expected. And that's quite positive. There's a bit of negative divergence on cable. If you look at the charts on the RSI and price, the politics situation today, we get the first round of voting. There's 8 candidates and they each need 30 votes to progress to the next round. The betting markets see Rishi Sunak as the favorite, followed closely by Penny Mordaunt and then Liz Truss. Rishi Sunak seems to have the support of MPs, whereas Penny Mordaunt has the support of the Conservative Party members, which would be crucial when it goes to them because they get the final say. Rishi Sunak was endorsed by Dominic Raab. Outside wildcard pick Suella Braverman, that could be quite interesting. And I think, you know, this is a really interesting time for UK politics. But yeah, Sunak looks almost guaranteed to get through to the final 2. But I think he's going to have a real tough battle on his hands with Truss and Mordaunt. I think those two are going to be the big fight getting through to the final 2. Trade the opportunity with Pepperstone.